There's a lot to learn, know, and do when it comes to becoming financially secure. One word you'll hear frequently in the world of finance is the word budget. A budget is a plan that you make for how you will spend your money. It involves analyzing your income, expenses, debts, and savings to make informed decisions about how to allocate your resources. With this plan, you will be able to track your expenses and make adjustments to ensure you are living within your means. Creating and sticking to a budget is an important step in achieving financial security and achieving your financial goals. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create a budget in 7 easy and really simple steps. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll be notified once a new video is here. Thank you. Now let's get into it. Set realistic goals and write down your whys. If you plan to make budgeting a permanent part of your financial journey, then you need to set clear goals. What do you want to achieve? Better spending habits? Order in how you spend and manage money? Setting clear goals will help you stay motivated and focused on achieving your financial objectives. It will also help you track your progress and make adjustments along the way. Calculate your net income. Your net income is the amount of money you take home after taxes and other deductions have been taken from your gross income. It is the money you have available to spend or save each month. Calculating your net income is very important because it helps you know how much money you have at your disposal. Knowing your net income also enables you to make informed financial decisions. Make a list of your expenses and debts. Your expenses should be listed after you have determined your net income. Start by making a list of your fixed expenses, such as the monthly cost of your food, your rent, your student loans, your gas, etc. Next, move on to flexible expenses. Expenses that can change from month to month, such as clothing, travel costs, groceries, entertainment, or any other luxuries that can change from month to month. You can look up some of these recurring flexible expenses in past monthly records and choose which one to include in your budget. Segmenting your expenses helps you prioritize your expenses and make adjustments where necessary to ensure you're living within your means. Design your budget using the 50-30-20 strategy. There are a lot of budgeting strategies, but the 50-30-20 rule is one of the easiest to use and understand. This rule suggests that 50% of your income should go toward necessities, 30% toward needs and wants, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. It's a great starting point for anyone looking to improve their financial situation. You can use a Google spreadsheet to design a simple budget. Google Sheets is a free and easy-to-use tool that allows you to track your expenses, income, and savings. With the help of online samples, you can quickly create a budget that suits your needs and financial goals. Automate your bills and savings. One way to stay committed to your budget is to place your fixed expenses, debts, and savings on autopay. This will ensure that these important financial commitments are paid every month, saving you the time and energy to focus on your flexible expenses and other financial goals. Additionally, setting up automatic transfers to your savings account can help you build your emergency fund or work towards a specific savings goal faster. Determine to stick to your budget. Your budget works only when you commit to it. If you have decided to save a particular amount for a month, stick to it. Seeking the help of a financial advisor if you struggle in this area, or staying accountable to a trusted friend will help you commit to your budget. Creating a budget is just the first step. Sticking to it is what builds your financial prowess. It's also important to remember that sticking to a budget requires discipline and sacrifice, but the long-term benefits are worth it. By staying committed to your budget, you can achieve your financial goals and secure a stable future. Review your budget regularly. It is important that you review your budget regularly to know if you are staying on track with your financial goals and to identify areas where you can cut back on expenses or increase savings. By regularly reviewing your budget, you can make informed decisions about your spending habits and ensure that you are making progress toward your financial objectives. You can also review your budget when you change jobs, which means your income changes, move into a new house, which can incur new expenses, or when an emergency arises. There you have it, 7 easy steps to create your budget. If you haven't created one already, I'm sure these steps will guide you through it. Let me know how easy it was to create one in the comment section below. Please don't forget to support this channel by giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it with someone too. Thanks for watching. Bye.